Hey y'all, Jennifer here from Jade's Creations Art Sanity, and today I'm going to be doing a pretty big canvas pour. So I've got my paints all mixed up, so let's jump in and get started. My white, I have a mixture of Artist Loft's White, FolkArt Extreme Glitter Champagne, and FolkArt Extreme Glitter Hologram. I wanted a little bit of shimmer in my white, but at the end of the day, that didn't even show up. My next color there, that light blue, is DecoArt Americana Coastal Waters. My third color there, that kind of green, light greeny, is the FolkArt Color Shift Aqua Flash. The blue is a mixture of Artist Loft's Turquoise and DecoArt Americana Deep Turquoise. My dark blue there is Artist Loft's Phthalo Blue and a mix of DecoArt Americana Cobalt. And my last color there, that soft green, is DecoArt Americana Soft Jade. I will have all of this listed in my description below and where I got each of these paints, so be sure to check that out. All of my paints are mixed, 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, and enough water to bring to consistency. Now I eyeball all of this. I do not measure anything. So my canvas here, like I said, it's a pretty big canvas. It is a 30 by 40 inch canvas. I am starting by covering that in my white. So I'm going to get my canvas all covered with my white. And I'm going to apologize. My neighbor decided to mow the yard, and I also have the dishwasher going on my end. That all sounds really loud. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but if you can, I'm sorry. Life, you know. So once I get my canvas covered in the white here, my colors I am going to layer in a plastic cup here. And yeah, just going to layer those in. I'm going to start by doing 2 different cups. Starting with my light blue, that Coastal Waters, then the Aqua Flash, then the Turquoise, the Cobalt, that deep blue, and then the soft green. And then for my second cup, I'm going to reverse that order. So I'm going to start with the soft green and go down to the light blue. In the middle of my pour here, I will stop and do another mixture of colors. I'll have to make up another cup because I don't have enough to do this whole canvas. You'll see what I mean when we get started here. So just mixing up or layering my second cup here. Once I get that done, I'm going to use a small strainer and kind of do like a traveling strainer pour. I'm going to start at the top corner and do like a flip cup on this strainer, and then pull the strainer through my white paint. So here we go. I'll use kind of like this flat scraper thing to hold do the flip cup on my strainer to hold the paint in there. And then I'm just going to move this strainer throughout the canvas to distribute that paint. So this is my first cup. It didn't go as far as I thought it would. I'm getting ready to put my second cup on there. And like I say, I do end up making up a third cup to put at the other end of this canvas. I will have all of my supplies, like I said, listed in the description below and where I got everything, so be sure to check all that out. So once I get my colors on here, I do come back in with the white that I still have left and pour it in between those lines here, you'll see, because I want to kind of keep those separate. So here's my white, what I'm talking about, just kind of trying to separate those lines out a little more. So I use what's left of my white, pour those in between, and then I'm going to start tilting and moving this canvas, moving all this paint around until I get something that I'm happy with. So now I'm just going to come in here with my torch and just torch the whole thing, get any air bubbles. And then I'm going to bring y'all down for a close-up. So here we are. And I'm sorry it's so shaky, but I'm standing on my step stool over this, trying to like get the whole view here, and also trying not to lean over too much to fall or touch my piece or drop the phone in. I love how this come out. I love these colors together. I really love all the lines in here. My favorite section of this, it's coming up here in a minute. I love the top left corner of this. I just love the lines that are there, and then it's got some like a rocky feel to it because it has some cells there. I'm not sure why that's showing kind of gold, but it's that soft green there. Love that dark blue. So kind of that section there at the corner, those lines and the cells running through there. That's my favorite spot of this whole painting. So finishing up the close-up here, and that's going to be it for this one. As always, thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment. And until next time, see ya.